Hello, this is Mimi, Pete and Elliot the Fluffball, also called Bear. We finally took the leap to go traveling around Australia, yippee! But we never expected to go through the most stressful time of our lives, even more stressful than organizing our own wedding in 2015. We listed our house for sale despite the real estate market not being the best at the time. We thought it would take a while, but shockingly, it only took 3 days to sell, leaving us with only 5 weeks to sort out our entire lives in a hurry. We got a big shipping container delivered at the front of our house and packed it to the brim with all our belongings. Pete quit his job as a mechanic and I closed the art supply store I had been running for over 6 years. And while we were frantically trying to sort out our lives, we got hit by a freak storm with violent rain, wind and hail, leaving us with huge ceiling stains in our lounge and the ceiling of one of our bedrooms collapsing on us. We had no choice but to power through and fixed everything ourselves. After all, those years renovating our previous house had paid off. While doing all of that, we were also working like crazy every day to finish building the van we were going to travel in and live in. And so we spent our last days moving boxes, furniture and tons of pot plants, while also cutting tons of wood, painting cabinets, hanging curtains and blinds, all in a race to turn our van into a home, while we were also cleaning a whole house and yard from top to bottom. It was utter madness that left us exhausted emotionally and physically every night. But we kept reminding ourselves of how good it would feel when it would be all over until, thankfully, it was finally over. Now it was time to have fun and spend time with our family, time for laughs and eating Easter bunnies way too early, to buy new camping chairs, to just enjoy the simple things around us, and to have some playtime with our niece Cara. And also for cousins to go nuts together. They just love each other so much. It was time for dancing, fixing last minute jobs on the van and eating one last delicious burger in Bondi Beach. Then it was time to say goodbye, set the odometer to 0 and take one last photo before taking off.